New Volleyball Legends, free lucky spins. If you need a bunch of lucky spins for your styles So it says abilities on the bottom of my screen, but once I click on it, it says style. Really, dude? Really? So these are the abilities and these are the styles. If you do need yourself some... let's actually spin away this yokai, because I'm trying to get a godly. Can I get a godly, please? Can I get Senju? Senjinhu? Asked. We get all the codes of Volleyball Haikyuu Legends. High IQ Legends. First code is going to be billion. Billion_visits. 1_billion visits. This code will give you lucky spins. Free lucky spins. If you do not have Robux, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you don't have Robux on Roblox. The next code is going to be update_28. This is the current update, and with this current update code, you'll be able to redeem free Ronaldo lucky spins. Official Ronaldo lucky spins. For free. Number 7. The next code is going to be Shouting Man fire emoji. Shouting Man fire emoji. New ability. New ability. Three lucky spins. Code already redeemed, because I have already redeemed all these codes. Ronaldo. For the future codes, subscribe. Subscribe for the future codes. This is one of the future codes. Next Saturday, this is going to be the code. So if you're watching this video next Saturday, there will be probably some new codes dropping, and this is one of them. Update_29. It's gonna give you 3 lucky spins, believe it or not. It's actually going to give you Ronaldo, Ronaldo, Ronaldo.